Today we ordered dinner from our favorite Italian restaurant, Spazzio's. You guys, if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you have to check them out. They are amazing. So what I always get from this restaurant is their gnocchi bolognese, and it is so good.
I got Nina shot was pappardelle Alfredo.
We also got 2 Caesar salads, and their bread is amazing also.
So Julie and I have really been trying to help support local businesses by eating out at least once a week or ordering takeout.
Comment below a restaurant that you really hope at least one person would go out and eat at, and hopefully we can keep as many small businesses going. I think it would be really good to spread awareness about all these awesome local restaurants in your area. Red or white wine? What are you feeling?
Well, we got this Sonoma Valley Storyteller Sauvignon Blanc that we haven't tried that we can do. Or we can just do the normal Ménage à Trois. So I got Alfredo and you got Bolognese.
Yeah, so red's better for me, but white's better for you.
Better.
I'm good with white though. I kind of want white.
Yeah, let's try the white.
Cool. So Eric actually took a wine tasting class in college. What would you say is like the most important thing you learned from that class?
Drink a lot and drink it quick.
It was called Wines of the World.
I had it for my calculus class, so I was hammered in calculus. Santé.
Santé. That's good. Just so you guys know, this is not sponsored at all. We just love Spazzio's. We actually ordered food from there on our anniversary, and it's sort of a very special place for us. Dinner was so good, and for dessert, we're going to have this Haagen-Dazs white chocolate raspberry truffle ice cream. This ice cream is amazing. You can see all of the chocolate and raspberries in here. Does anyone else's dogs just love to carry socks in their mouth? Luna always has our socks. Eric was just saying this is what you want when you're a kid, is to sit in bed and eat ice cream.
And watch 90 Day Fiancé.
Yeah, and we're watching 90 Day Fiancé. And I think Luna wants some ice cream also. She was begging a little bit.
You're so adult. We just had ice cream in bed and now you're drinking white wine.
I have my baby right here too. And I'm in my pink pajamas that I wear like every single day. This is like my go-to quarantine outfit.
I've been seeing Ed on Instagram and YouTube from 90 Day Fiancé, so I got like really obsessed with it. So I'm forcing Julia to watch it with me now, and I kind of like it. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, it is a pretty good show.
Apparently it's like really famous. They got like before the 90, after the 90, during the 90.
I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning from Luna, who is taking up all of the bed. Yes, you are. Good morning, beautiful. Luna is finishing up her breakfast. I've had a really slow start to my day, but I'm about to put some chicken in the oven for Eric and I to eat for lunch, and I'm going to make oatmeal for myself to eat for breakfast. Going to add some of this seasoning to the chicken, and into the oven the chicken goes. Before I cook my oatmeal, I'm gonna add some cinnamon, and then I'm going to add some blueberries, some craisins, and some oatmeal square cereal because I love the crunch. Alright, let's check out this chicken. I need to flip it over so you guys can see how the seasoning turned out. I'm about to bid for my June schedule. As flight attendants, we always bid for our schedules a few weeks in advance. Currently, it's the middle of May, and our system just opened up for me to go in and request to fly specific trips for next month. Of course, I usually always request to fly international, and sometimes I get it, and sometimes I don't. taking a break from bidding because usually that seriously takes me all day long. Luna and I are gonna head to the park. Usually we always walk there, but since I'm bringing a lot of camera equipment so I can film and record her playing, I have it all in my backpack and we're just gonna drive there. I know a few videos ago you guys really liked the Luna cam with my GoPro, so I thought we could do that again today in 3, 2, 1. Tongue flapping in the wind. It's almost 2 o'clock now. Me and Luna just got back from the park and neither Eric or I have eaten lunch yet, so I think I'm gonna make us those chicken Caesar salads, and then I would like to try and get in a workout today as well. We have chicken right here, some black pepper, this 50-50 salad blend, some Caesar croutons, and some Caesar salad dressing.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark. When there's complications, you don't need me to leave.
Hey, you okay? Hey, it's okay. You choking? Hey, breathe. What's going on, baby? Are you choking? Hey. Swallow your food. You can't just gulp things, honey. You okay? Don't scare Mama like that, okay? Don't scare me. So I'm gonna keep my eye on Luna, but as you guys just saw, she has been doing this like really weird cough thing where she sounds like she's choking, and I'm wondering if it's because she eats her food way too fast, but obviously it really scares me. If any of you are vets and know what might be happening, please let me know because I am about ready to take her into the doggy doctor. I finished my workout a few hours ago and I've just been hanging out since, and I think I'm going to eat the rest of my gnocchi leftovers from last night for dinner tonight. Gnocchi bolognese is one of my favorite meals. I'm so excited I get to eat it 2 nights in a row. We take Luna out to this field. Did you just bring it to mommy instead of daddy? Ha! Go get it, Luna. Good catch, Luna.
That you really hope somebody would go see.
The next month's flying schedule. Dog hair on my lip. So every month we okay, oh, don't pee on your leash. It's 10:30 p.m. Eric is making pizza right now, and I am actually almost done editing this video. I just forgot to include a conclusion, so just wanted to quickly say thank you everyone so much for watching and for supporting my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content, please subscribe. I will see you all next time.